It's just not going to get better than that to be closer to the other two. Alright, so now what I'm going to do, and this one 10.7 pH, and it's coming in at a real high ORP, like a negative, well, I just want to make sure we've got it recorded. This middle one is the Tiant, and this is the Tiant 7070 Turbo. And now that ORP is starting to slow down. 10.7 with a negative, let's say 761 ORP, negative 762. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to keep those probes in there. I'm going to drop 1 drop of apple cider vinegar in here, and see what happens. I'm going to stir it. Alright, now if I accidentally drop 2 drops, I'm going to... Alright, let me... just 1 drop. 1. Okay, and now that's going to be stirred. And it looks like it is going down to... Well, I'm going to let it settle down. Like a 10.3 pH, and still pretty high ORP, negative 744 ORP, negative 745 ORP. Alright, so I'm going to, yeah, negative 747. Alright, now I'm going to go to the Athena and just let it settle for a bit first. So that, and take that pH probe and kind of unstick it a little bit. Okay. And I wish there was an easier way to do this testing, or maybe more, you know, exact, because these numbers, it's really hard to get that pH exact. But it's a 10.7 pH with a negative 776, and what I'm going to, or negative 777. Alright, and I'm going to put 1 drop of apple cider vinegar in it. Okay, 1 drop of apple cider vinegar, and I'm going to stir it. Let's see what happens to the pH and the ORP. Very similar to the Tiant. 10.3 pH, and like a negative 757, or negative 758 ORP. Oh God, negative 759. Okay, fine. Alright, the next thing I'm going to do is stick it over here in the enagic. I'll be darned if that pH was up to 10.3. 7, I thought, to begin with. Oh, there it is, 10.7. Okay, so the enagic is at a 10.7 pH, and looks like about a negative 171-ish ORP, negative 1, just kind of unstable. Alright, and I'll call that a negative 150 because it's going down. I'm not going to let it go down any further than that. I'm going to put one thing. This is kind of ridiculous because the enagic normally is meant for stronger ionization. Alright, one thing of apple cider vinegar, and then see what happens to the pH and the ORP. That's weird. So it went down to a 10.5 pH, and then the ORP is just kind of erratic here. So let me try one thing. This is crazy. I'm just going to have to redo this thing, I think. It's not what I expected. Did I put 1 drop of apple cider vinegar in? That's the thing.
Yes.
Yeah. Alright, I'm just going to start.